That Collonite wax, this stuff is good. I've already done the entire boat underneath, on top, with the final step. I'll show you again. This is Collonite 845. This stuff is just, I don't know, this stuff is good stuff. Durable. Real durable. I've been using this stuff for 20 years. 15, 20 years. And yeah, there's better waxes out there, but this stuff, for durability and longevity, and for this application, you know, this stuff is, you might not think that waxing plastic or fiberglass does anything, but it does. It protects it from the sun. Look at that. You know, it protects it from stuff spilling on the boat or on the, you know, on whatever. And it makes the stuff not stick to it as well. And it helps it when you clean it. Plus it looks awesome. I did a full correction on all three of these these cowls. I'll show you the other one where that other wax dries. Alright, I've already done the final step with the Collonite, the last step, and you know, this stuff is just awesome wax. But I have a lot of work into these cowls. I used a Makita 9237 rotary polisher with this, you know, with the compound, and then a polish. And then I hit it with an all-in-one correction glaze sealer at the end. And then the final step was the Collonite 845 wax. So hopefully when I get it out into the sun, whatever there's left of it, I'll be able to see, you know, how good it really is. So the whole boat's been waxed, and took all the wax off. I crawled under there. This thing here, did the underneath, you know, as much as I could get, and I waxed the very bottom too. I wouldn't be surprised if he picks up another 1 mile per hour more on top end, with the underneath of the boat being so slippery, so slick from this polish and wax. It's just clean. Everything. Probably should
filming while I'm working, right? So there's the boat. Panels all brought back to color, the yellow. The seats, I did a lot of work on the seats. I used the machine. I used a DA with an attachment that I've got that I use, a brush. Medium bristle. And it really worked. Everything's waxed. Every little seam. Full correction on this panel too. Every yellow panel got a correction. The hood. Like I said before, I had a little trouble with this one. Come to find out, I think I was doing too big of an area at once. I was doing the standard, 18 by 18 or 2 by 2, and I found that I had better results if you get the product off quicker. So I shrunk it down to about 16 inches by 16 inches at a time on the rotary polisher and got the product right off when it was when it was broken down, and it went a lot better. It came right off easier, and seemed to do the work better. Wax is dry. I can take this Collonite that I just put on off. I love the decal and airbrushing he's got done on this boat. Awesome. I mean, obviously the the gel coat shines anyway, but when it's dirty it doesn't. And I really put a lot of time and work into this boat. Take that wax off too. And I think that it looks like brand new in here. I don't know if these seats come out. I wish they did, and I wish I knew how to do it. Could have been, would have been 100%. Yeah. I just took the Collonite off of that. Freshly waxed. This is the difference, when you polish things and do a full correction on these panels. When they start to fade, the idea is to catch them before you don't let them totally go. I mean, they can still be brought back. I've done worse. But look at that. You rub your finger, you don't hear anything. It should sound like it's smooth as a bell. And the color came back as it did on that one. There you have it. Thanks for looking.